Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Irfan Syazwan Bekarul Anwar 09 DTP 19F1072. My supervisor name Nur Atika binti Muhammad. Okay, today I want to talk about lemang roaster. Right. Malaysia is a country that is head toward a developed country, but timing seller out there still use the old method to cook lemang. It require a lot of human energy, fuel consumption, such non-exhaustive sulfur and unveiling cook heating. To address this problem, the study aims to find the best approach to using the cookware modified from exotic method to more interesting method. Cookware modified lemang roaster is an interesting, easy and innovative cooking machine. The lemang seller can cook the lemang more easily with the roaster lemang machine. The next, the proper statement. First, require need care to produce. Second, problem statement. First, require need care to produce quality lemang. Second, need a machine to avoid pollution. And three, require careful attention, especially in terms of temperature control the cooked lemang. Okay, next, the objective. First, identify appropriate stock to obtain a regular round on each lemang. Second, designing machine that reduce air pollution and are safe to use. Three, the machine that make it lemang operation to maintain the quality and quantity of lemang in a predetermined period. Okay. Scope. Generally, the scope of the machine study focus on smart entrepreneur who want to produce lemang product in short time. This is because most entrepreneur cannot produce lemang in no time. Therefore, lemang demand increase especially during the festive season. Okay, next.
Okay. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Mat Saleh. Number 09DTP19F1027. Okay, today I want to talk about literature review. Based on the study that has been made against the products that have been created similar to this project, we have made some research result on the material and component used and the difference in the existing products in the market. According to observation, there are some problems faced by lemang operators. Among them are entrepreneurs are difficult to burn lemang using traditional methods in large quantity. Here enter into surveys on existing products on the market that have been carried out by entrepreneurs. In this case, if entrepreneurs use traditional method, they must use a lot of workers and energy. Okay, next, methodology. This chapter discuss the method of project implementation method rather than start until the end. In addition, the equipment and material to be used during the workshop at the equipment and material to be used during the workshop. At here, will also be declare the concept of work use, the prime concept. Among the work method to be conducted while performing a lemang burner project, this mini is the concept of a mini lemang full design first with using inventor software. After that, the method for installing each project frame and finally, mechanical motion methods such as welding methods will be used to install components that will be placed on the project. Methodology is very important to help the project to run smoothly. Besides that, the methodology also makes it easy for someone to know about the project that has done as well as materials used, as it will include all processes in prepare the project properly. Okay, next. I want to talk about flowchart. Okay, firstly, we start and we select the topic, selection of topic, After that, process of selection idea, uh, and concept of project. After that, accept the project, accept or reject, and then selection of material, and after that analysis. Uh, Next, observation, and we do observation and boot of project materials, and we create the project.
Assalamualaikum. My
Okay.
name is Alif Aiman. Number matrix 09 DTP 19F1053. Okay, our project use prime concept to choose our product. First is P, the problem statement. Among the problems faced are often the problem of using some much workforce to process lemang from the beginning to the end. The project is conducted to assist in the entrepreneur who works for Lemang by reducing their workforce for the Lemang burning process. With this facility, it can help reduce the workforce, and as this designed project you only use the motor to move the Lemang burner. Therefore, the workforce and time can be contained because the workforce is reduced and the time to burn is short. In addition, the old method requires a very large space and a static area for the process of burning this lemang. Therefore, on the method we will design this will save space and wants not to find a static area to burn lemang as it use gas and safer to use. Our work is for research. Based on the study, there are some weaknesses on the lemang burner. We have conducted an interview session with some lemang entrepreneurs. The goal is to know the feature of the use of the product. Instead, we can get many ideas that have been given to produce mini lemang burners. This questionnaire is to attachment sections. Okay, this is our final concept. This is up view from the up view.
Inventor software.
We use this inventor software. This is our view from front and back. This is our sketch, final sketch and a final inventor drawing. Okay, materials and tools to be used. First, square hollow. Strengthen the part of the project installed. Stainless steel, also known as the bin. This stainless steel is affected to the oxygen and has a stable oxide layer on the surface of the steel. Third, circle hollow. Strengthen the installed project frame. Sprocket. Continue the energy to track through brushing, changing the rotation into a roll on track so that the unit can move, rotate. The product can rotate. Then we use the motor device that use electrical energy to produce mechanical engineering, almost completely through magnetic and conductor reaction that drain electrical current. Next, we use change. One way of spending of mechanical power from one place to place. Typically, the chain is used to bring power and to the wheel of the vehicles. Bearing reduce friction on moving machine of component and matering each other with another. Next, fire furnace. Fire production source, and last, wheels, our driving tools.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Norafi Dayat bin Nurisham. My number matric is F1014. Okay, the tools used is RPG. The function is to flank the project board on the table when cutting and drilling. Second is hacksaw. It used to cut objects from iron and wood to the desired size. Next is safety glasses to protect the eyes from including impurities that can hurt the eyes. Next is Angus L. It make an upright line from the edge of the work surface. The fifth is Grainber. Grainber is to mark part in metal that will not be used and want to be discarded. Steel ruler is to measure the exact measure of the metal, while measuring tape is to measure a short and long distance. Next is Warrington iron hammer. Used to knock the fine nails held in the finger and the palm part of the band. Bench vise. It's used to hold the work tool. Hand shield. Prevent face, neck and eyes from sparks. Provide protection from high radiation and light radiation. Glove is protect against injury. The machine used is electrode arc welding machine. The function is to drain electricity from the electrode on the base metal and converts this electricity to high heat energy. Cutting machine is to cutting material made of metal and wood. Drilling machine is pierce holes on metals and on other materials such as wood. Last is rolling machine. It's grind the surface of the block or sheet of metal so as to produce the right size with a smooth surface. Next is the components used. First components is meter thermostat. The temperature controller tool used on electrical goods using the heating system. Next is plug top. It is used to drain electric current, and wires are connected to the source of electric power to drain electricity. The word of M is for modification. The modification process or this modification has been made after the completed project. This modification depends on the result of study. There are many work that needs to be modified. Therefore, in order to avoid this problem, it is supposed to be a project creation should be done with a good and perfect. Lastly is word E is for evaluation. The evaluation process or testing is a very important process in producing projects. This is because to ascertain whether the project is successful or not, this process should be done so that any improvement can be done immediately before it is delayed. New topic is estimate cost. First material is iron beam, which is cost and 120 ringgit. The quantity is 1. Second material is Projek. It costs 8 ringgit while the quantity is 7. Third material is motor. It costs 30 ringgit and we use only one. Fourth material is chain. It costs 23 ringgit and the quantity is 3. Fifth material is fire furnace. It costs 98 ringgit and we use it only one. And the last material is wheel. It costs 11 ringgit and the quantity is 4. So the total of our material and whatever it is, the total is 400 ringgit and 470 ringgit. Thank you. That's all for
That's
us.
all.